Like, I'm gonna do something like, and I just hope it works because I'm desperate. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. If you have not already subscribed before I even start this video, subscribe. What are you waiting on? Just subscribe. My hair looks bad. You should want to subscribe to see me do better. And if you enjoyed the video at the end, give it a thumbs up and comment below. Now, I'm not gonna say I neglected my hair. I'm just gonna say college happened. I don't feel like doing a twist out, so I'm gonna try and do a wash and go. I've been hearing a lot about this gel. 1 minute. This is the Wetline Xtreme gel. I watched a tutorial on it with Happy Curl. Her hair was cute, so why not try it? Without further ado, let's get on into the video.
Do my hair toss, check my nails, baby, how you feeling? Hair toss, check my nails, baby, how you feeling?
Now, she didn't use water. I'm really tempted. I'm really tempted to use water, but I wanted to dry quickly, so I'm not. It's like the most watered down thing I have, and it is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Knot Away Leave-In Detangler. Should I water this down? Would that be putting water in my hair though? No, it wouldn't, because I'm just gonna mix it with this to make it more watery. That was so stupid of me. I hope nothing came out on her bed. She gonna think I put stuff on her bed. Let me see, hold on. I didn't get it on her bed, but a little bit got in her shoe. So if you ever wash this, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. And I'm just using olive oil and castor oil. So I'm gonna go in with this and see what it does for me. It smells like, it's not stinky, it's just like, I don't know. It smells like Fabuloso to me a little bit. Also, maybe should have detangled my hair before, but okay. Oh, this is nice. That's cute. Okay. Okay, so I might like this gel. That's cute. Do you see this? That is crazy. Okay, now I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, so I am at like the middle-ish portion of my head, and I know for a fact like this part's gonna give me the hardest time to like get information. But can we just stop for like 2 seconds and just acknowledge that? Like, just please, can we just for like 2 seconds, please? Let's acknowledge this. So now I'm gonna work on that middle section I was talking about. We're gonna see if this gel can like really pass the hair test, because this part of my hair is like the least defined out of everywhere, like, and I don't know why. It's already doing right, y'all. Like this. I know this is just like little bitty waves, but y'all, this is like, that's, yeah. Now I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna be back with my final results. I literally just got done. This is my hair. I like it. I really do like it. I don't sound excited, but I am. I want some food. And I really do think that this gel is very legit. Like, I really like this gel. And it has aloe vera, no residues, alcohol free, and UV filter. I don't know what that means, but if that's important to you, then I told you. Will it replace my Eco Styler? I'm not sure. I gotta see how I can do my edges, because if it can do my edges, this might have replaced my Eco Styler, and I don't want to let it go, but I might have to because this is cheaper. I have to take me some time to get used to it, but this definition though, I'm shook. Like, I'm really shook. Like, Terry did that, and it did that well. Like, I have never seen my curls like this. Never. It's crunchy. It is crunchy. You can fix that with oil. So I'm gonna do that when it all dries. And then I'm trying not to touch it, so that makes me frizzy too, but I can't help it. I'm sorry. I like it. I'm gonna stretch it with threading method, and then I'm gonna come back. But like, this is good. I like this a lot.
The next day,
but I like how it looks. I just don't really like how I feel. The gel cast, it did break when I put the oil on it, and when I stretched it, I think the stretching did. Like, look at these curls. Like, y'all, never have I ever seen my curls like this. This is so cute. I just want to sit here and let y'all admire my hair. I'm just kidding. So this is the front. I parted it on the side, and I'll turn around real quick so you can see the back. I'll try my best to turn around because I can't bend that far when I do that. Can't put my shrinkage is so real. Like, it's like the realest thing in the world. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, become a part of the family, and subscribe and get me to 100 subscribers. Like, it's just that simple. If you like my hair, you like these curls, don't come back and not subscribe. Don't be the people that just watch from a distance. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see this lovely face every week, and comment below if you liked it, and comment below if you use this gel actually, and has it replaced your Eco Styler? Let me know. I just want to know so I won't feel as bad about letting my Eco Styler go. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.